All right, so we got all our parts here and we have to assemble them. So this is not a terribly difficult task. I'm going to start by assembling the sliders into the base. So I'm going to grab that bottom edge, and then I'm going to grab the same bottom edge at the base and see if it goes in the way I want it. That looks good. And the type of joint is a slider, so motion is slider. And that looks wonderful. I'm going to do this again. I'm going to do this here. You can see it's a slider, and I think I want it to go here. I might be wrong. We'll see. But nope, it turned in good. If it wasn't good, like if it went on the wrong side, you just have to redo it and flip it over and do it on the other side. So I got my two sliders in. I'm going to actually set my handle up with a different type of joint. So this time the motion is going to be called a revolute joint. And I want this right in the center here. On either one of these, it doesn't matter, right in the center here. And it's doing the revolute thing, so that's cool. And I'm going to do that again. I gotta rotate to the bottom here. We got that, very good. And I'm going to get it there. It does its revolute thing. And you see it moved it because they are a revolute now. I'm going to take the base and I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to ground it, which I should have done immediately. Because if you do not ground something, it's going to cause issues when you try to do this. All right, and the last three are much simpler. Continue, and these are going to be rigid joints, and the bottom of the pin to the top of the handle. That's good. And then same kind of deal with these guys. Bottom of the pin, top of the handle. Yep. And once more. Bottom of the pin and the top of the handle. All right, so here we go. Our do nothing machine, which we can like kind of flop around with to our heart's content. And if you wanted, you can actually go into joints over here. And if you went to this revolute joint, you could right click and you could go animate model and it'll do its thing. Isn't that glorious? So this is how we do the assembly for the do nothing machine.